I'm Becky Webster. I am the Director of the Salesforce Alliance at Simplis and a Salesforce MVP. Welcome to App Mavericks, a video series from the AppExchange intended to introduce Salesforce customers to cool apps through the eyes of Salesforce MVPs and super users. We're here today with Daniel Rodriguez, the Vice President of Marketing at a great company called Seismic. Hi, Daniel. Please introduce yourself and let us know a little bit about Seismic.
Hi, Becky. Seismic is the only way that a sales rep can have sales collateral come to the rep rather than going and trying to find what it is they need. The sales material comes to them, and then that sales material actually automatically personalizes itself for any selling interaction.
Wow, that sounds amazing. So there are a lot of different document management solutions out there. Daniel, can you help me understand what makes Seismic different?
So at the core of Seismic's technology is a function that we call LiveDocs. And what LiveDocs allows a sales and marketing organization to do is to pull from all of the relevant sources of information that would populate a sales presentation or a sales contract. Maybe it's information that's within just Salesforce.com, but it could also be information that's in an Excel spreadsheet or it's in a SQL database, and pull that information into a sales presentation so that you no longer have to manually build the perfect personalized piece of selling material.
Okay, that's making more sense. So can you give me an example of a customer of yours that has used Seismic and has seen real results?
One of our customers is Synchrony Financial, which is formerly GE Capital, a very large Salesforce shop, as many of you know. And one of the problems that the hundreds of sales reps faced at Synchrony Financial was that it took them a lot of time to create the presentation materials that they used to meet with the store managers. The reps, their goal is spend as much time in front of existing customers to nurture that relationship and to give upsell opportunities. And they had to spend all day Monday in the office just to create the materials that they would use to then go out onto the road for the rest of the week. With Seismic, Monday is now spent in the field. They no longer spend Monday creating those materials because Seismic builds that presentation for them automatically, pulling data from Salesforce and other sources so that they can have the right selling interaction. It ends up making the field sales force 35% more effective with their time and is the equivalent of being able to add 15% headcount. And then, of course, the best kicker is they end up spending a lot more of their time making use out of Salesforce, so it makes Salesforce usage rates increase and makes Salesforce a lot stickier for that team.
That's an incredible set of statistics, Daniel. And honestly, it sounds like magic, especially in the hands of a sales rep. I want to see this magic in action. Can you show us a demo?
Yeah, let's hop in right now. So say I'm a sales rep and I'm calling on the CIO at Marriott. I want to make sure that I give them the right presentation materials, but sometimes it's hard for me to find what I need. With Seismic, the presentation materials actually find me right here within the opportunity record. So I advance the presentation stage and the contextually relevant content pops up in line right here within Salesforce. Then if I wanted to go and create a personalized sales presentation, I can go in and just at the click of the Generate the Document button, can open up the sales presentation, and I'm guided through a series of selections that allow me to pull in relevant case studies and ROI analyses that allow me to put my best foot forward as a sales rep, and it builds itself from data from Salesforce, Excel, and other data sources automatically right here.
Wow, Daniel, that is really incredible. Thank you so much for sharing that demo with us. What a powerful tool Seismic clearly is. Where can we go to learn more? If we want to go test it out, trial, where can we find Seismic?
Yeah, please visit us on our AppExchange listing or at seismic.com.
Great. We'll do just that. Thank you so much for being with us today, Daniel.
Thank you.